So I saw a camping hack on the internet of all things, and we thought we would try it out. Before we left for camping, I made the kids both drink a whole liter of Sprite, and they were sick to their stomach, but it was for a good cause. So here's what we're gonna have for breakfast. We're gonna have bacon and waffles, and Richard's gonna help me. So what I did was I cooked my bacon before we left, and I put it in the ice chest. So I cooked my bacon ahead of time, and here it is. We just reheated it over the fire, and I have my waffle iron, and Richard has the Sprite bottle with the waffle mix in it, but the kids drank all the Sprite for me. And he is going to put our distilled water from the ice chest into the Sprite bottle because he's a precision machinist and I couldn't find the hole. Then you gotta shake it like your mama gave ya. Shake, 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 Sonora. Shake your body right. Work, 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 Sonora. Work it all the time. Is it working? Did the internet lie?
Nah, it'll work. Just need more water.
More water.
Maybe it'll work.
Don't make it too thin.
It's like ice cream right now.
Yum. Ice cream waffles? Sounds good to me. Maybe the water's too cold. We use dry ice to keep everything cold. Surprised it's not frozen.
Oh, getting there. Still too thick.
Still too thick? Maybe I put too much waffle mix in there. I should have put a little less so we had more room for water.
Oh, there's still plenty of room.
And the cleanup's going to be perfect. I just got to throw it away or burn it in the fire and destroy the ozone layer. We have 2 of these, one for today and one for tomorrow. Both kids drank their Sprites in like 30 minutes and then cried because their tummies hurt. All right, waffles camping. Now turn it, flip it. And we'll come back like those food shows and see the finished product. All right, we'll see that finished product. Oh, that looks nice. Perfect. Camping waffles and bacon in a Sprite bottle. The internet wins again. Woohoo!
Read it.